Hi, today we are going to do an unboxing of a car hatchback privacy screen thingy-majiggy that keeps people from seeing what's in your car when you're not in your car. And we already cheated a little bit and ripped this part open because I didn't want to cut myself and swear on camera and bleed all over the box. So I'm just going to undo the sides. And the packing tape.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not as easy as it looks.
Remember to close your blade so you don't damage your tablecloth.
So
all right.
you don't.
Cool.
Huh.
A nice piece of plastic.
It's bigger than I thought. I thought it might suck up into just a small channel, but it's got the piece that kind of hangs out there.
Yeah. Okay, so that's what it looks like when it comes out of the box.
Awesome.
It's pretty lightweight. I'm not very strong, so this is easy to handle for a petite woman. You can do it yourself.
So
this is for a Mazda CX-5.
Yeah,
right?
This is for a 2015 Mazda CX-5. Yeah. So these must be where it clips up on the door.
You want to pull that?
Oh yeah. There we go. Wow, that's got some tension.
Shade.
That has really got some tension.
Let it go.
No, I don't want it to snap back and break it.
Anyways, but it feels really well made and really sturdy. So it looks like it just...
So it looks like this part here they covered in felt to make it a little bit softer on the plastic of your car, and I guess that's where it sits inside the two slots that'll hold it in the car, and then this attaches to the door. So when you lift the door up, it pulls out like we just showed you.
It looks like there's little hooks under there.
Yeah.
That hook onto...
So let's go install it.
Yeah, so installation. Okay, so now we are going to install this together because I already tried it and it turns out I'm actually not strong enough to put it in myself, but I do want to show you that each side of this rod, the ends are spring-loaded like that, and then this right here is the same shape as the socket that it's going to go into.
And you got the socket on each side, so you got to make sure it's facing the right way, which would be this to the back.
Yeah, and it's basically very simple. It's just, I'm just not strong enough to do it, but you're just going to put that in the socket. You're going to press it towards the socket. Then you're going to bring this side up against along the wall and press this in, which I can't do right now, and basically feed it along the wall until it locks into the socket. And then it's in place. So,
and then we're going to pull it out and put it on these two clips up here. You can see.
Which are too high for me, so that's another reason.
Yeah, plus it's really, this is kind of a tough pull. It's got a really good spring inside it. But I did want to point out that they screwed up with this. If you look at this side, can you spin it around for me, please? If you look at this side, you can see that there's a screw right there on both sides to hold it from coming out. Now on this side, they failed to put in the screws. Missing. And what did they do?
They screwed up.
But once it's in place, it really doesn't matter. So we just got to be careful putting it in. So then we'll stretch that out, and there's clips up here to hold it in. When you get that little wire there, it goes inside that slot. So, all right, I'm going to hand off the phone to this young lady, and I'm going to do this. So, since this is the side with the missing screws, I'll put this side in first and push that into place, and then I'm going to push this in nice and tight till I can get it as far in as possible, and then just pop it in there. And now the springs are kind of holding it in place. Now let's see if I can do this, because this is really kind of tough. I had to pull it all the way out and clip that up there. I think that's it. There it is. Oh, then there's little hooks. So I'm going to take this real quick. So as you can see, it's hooked in, and there's a little lip that it's hooked onto. I don't know if you can see that. So this is the holder to keep it from bouncing out, but there's a little lip that it's into so it can't come out. And that's it. So Now, truly crawl in there, and I'm going to shut it. No, I'm kidding. Okay.
Look at me, I'm about to do it.
All right, clipped in place, top and bottom. So let's close it up, and I'll go around the other side to show you how it does privacy protection. Can you see in there?
Nope. Well, I see
There it is. I can see you. Quit peeping in my windows, lady. All right, that's pretty tight fit. Looks good, and that's it. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
Pretty simple.